Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thanks for stopping in. I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around. I try to upload at least 4 to 5 times per week. I am a huge planner fanatic, and in this video will be showing you how I will be decorating in my classic size dashboard extension pack. So I buy the extension pack up until this point because it is undated, and for the longest time I really didn't have a function for it. So buying it in the extension pack means that you only, spend like $6 for like 6 months instead of a $35 planner. But there is no cover and there are no rings or anything like that. That's exactly what it is. It's an extension pack. So, but because I've been using, the dashboard planner for some time now and I love it so much, I probably, coming up this summer will invest in getting an actual planner because there's so many cute ones and it does kind of get tiring to date it out. Sometimes I guess I'm just kind of making an excuse. I want to buy a new planner. Okay. So anyways, I use the dashboard layout for my faith planner, and it's been working good up until this point, but I think I might actually get a faith planner itself, like an actual faith planner coming up, because I need more space to write, and in these tiny boxes on the right hand page, it's just that not that much space to write out an entire Bible study in one particular day. But I do like the left page because I can write out different verses of the day or prayer requests or things like that. But I forgot to mention I'm using the brand new Colorful Leopard Sticker book, and this is the first time that I've used it, so I was really excited. I honestly wanted to hoard it because it's just such a cool concept, like having colors with leopard and cheetah print and stuff. It's very innovative. I think it's really, really fun. So thankfully I decided to try it out and use it for this week, and I love it so much. So there's really not a ton that I need to do in my faith planner because I need a lot of space to write out. So other than that, I just do a little bit of decorating on the left-hand page and layering, things like that. And, that's pretty much it. But I flipped through a few different times, like actually way more than a few. I actually had to trim out a lot because it's a brand new book to me and I had never used it before. I just needed to get acquainted and, see what's in there. So that's what I was doing, just flipping through, trying to figure out what I wanted to use, what would go good with it being a faith planner. So yeah, I mean, there's just a little extra space, wanted to see what else I could fit in, and I thought this would be cute. So other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. I really love the dashboard layout, and it's something that I definitely want to continue to use, but I don't think that it's working well for my faith planner because I need more space to write. So if you have the actual faith planner, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you think of it, and if you like where it is all compartmentalized and things like that. I just want to see what y'all think as well. So that's it. I'm going to pop it back into the discs for one last look. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.